Peter,
become exhausted.
yeah,
He was probably exhausting to be around.
probably so. Right?
He was the first one of the apostles to make wholehearted confession of Jesus' combined humanity and divinity, and the first, save Judas, to deny him. Peter was not so much of a dreamer, but he disliked to descend from the clouds of ecstasy and the enthusiasm of dramatic indulgence to the plain and matter of fact world of reality.
Y'all, it's interesting because this particular paper is the paper that convinced Bill Sadler Sr. that the Urantia book was true.